Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and right in the middle we've got the timer. After tapping on it once, we can set the 3 seconds delay, and after tapping on it again, we've got the 10 seconds delay. So now we can go back to the shutter button, and from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can of course turn it off, just enter the 3 bars icon again. Hello. Tap on the timer, and since it is not highlighted, it means that it is turned off. So from now on, the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.